Welcome to Creativ Connect, our 3D design user event at Lake Constance, where we bring together 3D designers, developers of software to create an exchange and also to showcase the newest features.
Creativ Connect is really great for talking to new people, new customers, old friends, old partners to get up to date.
It's a nice gathering of the industry, so you meet a lot of familiar faces.
It's very collegial, it's very professional at the same time, but if we don't meet, we don't talk with people, we never find out what's going in the industry.
I don't know if there's another conference like this where you can meet with the creatives, with the designers, but not talk about design, but talk more about the workflows and the ideas and how to construct your work. We are a VR, AR-based company in London, and we had the possibility to present it to people, and they really enjoyed the augmented reality, and everybody was really immersed into the product.
What I showed today with Autodesk VRED, the visualization tool, are the new features within the 2026 release.
With events like these here, Product Innovation Lounge, of course, is a driver in keeping us up to date and delivering like the latest insights.
At first it was a partnership, and now it's also became a friendship, and we are happy to be here every year.
What does it mean to me to be creative? I guess it's a mindset.
Being creative is about expressing ideas.
Being creative is also finding new ways to work.
It's having the freedom to concentrate on what is important to me without tools and processes stagnating that.
Innovate, ideate, and experiment.